Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo if mayroon tayong mga bagong updates dito sa YouTube channel ko. For today's vlog, magkakaroon tayo ng another tutorial. As you can see in the title, how to withdraw Tongits Go coins into GCash. So napakadali lang naman ito. It's very easy, kaso medyo magkakaroon kayo ng waiting ng 3 days if na-process nyo na siya or nasan nyo na yung details na kailangan. So let's get started. First thing na dapat gawin nyo is to withdraw. After that, may lalabas na message ulit. Basahin nyo na lang. And yan. Says lang naman dyan na i-follow nyo yung instruction, ilagay nyo yung 4 na kailangan. And yun na yun. So, papakitaan ko kayo ng sample kung paano i-message. So, dapat hindi tayo mag-message ng kung ano-ano. Ka-ek-ekan din sa messenger ng Tongits Go. So, kaya hindi ko siya tinry. Kasi wala naman tayong 100 Go coins pa. Papakitaan ko na lang. Yung response nila, i-click nyo na lang yung not arrived. And that's all for today's vlog. So yan, napakasimple lang naman kung paano makakonvert yung coins natin into a real money using GCash. So yan, thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you.